Can you catch your boy coming down so I can tape him? Oh, gosh!
You good?
Come on, man.
Oh, yeah. You see, Daddy had his eyes shut, but he was grinning the whole time.
What is it, man? Good.
Oh my gosh, his bag was so full.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go, man.
Good job.
Good job, Victoria.
I'm gonna get him with you.
With Mommy?
Here, Bella.
Just you.
Okay. We'll have to let Harrison go before we go. You just want to put her in the car. Mom, you're going to catch Harrison.
Oh, wait a minute.